Hi, in this video we're going to talk about prompt templates. Now prompt template is a real time saver. Let me bring up a report here and I'm going to pick a report, this grading and attendance summary. So you'll notice one of the first fields is prompt template. Well, what a prompt template does is in essence it saves all the values that you've entered in all these different prompts in a single file. That way you can retrieve them at a later time. So for example, let's go ahead and let's say for this report, I'm going to pick grade levels and I'm going to pick 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th as my grade levels. Notice, by the way, that once I start filling these in, I now have this little icon that says Save as New. We're going to use that in a minute to save all of our settings in a template. Okay, so it wants to know the status, homeroom, what schools. I'm going to say I want this to be for female students. And then let's just say I needed to go ahead and make a selection on race. So let's say I was going to pick white and Pacific Islander. And then let me also pick some other options here. So like for the grade bucket type, let's say I'm going to go ahead and pick semester. And then let's see here, going back up a little bit for this grade bucket, I'm going to pick term 4. So you can see I'm putting in quite a bit of entries here. And so let's say that I have everything set up, my sorts and all my prompts set up the way I like them. Now what I can do is I can save this. So I can say save as new, and then I give it a name, and let's say I'm going to call this my 9-week grades and attendance. And I'll leave that also as my template description, and I'm going to save it. Okay, from this point onward, when I run this report, if I want to go ahead and get all these values back in, all I got to do is identify that prompt template. So let me cancel out of here. Let me go ahead and click on Run again. And you can see it's empty. But now when I click on my little down arrow here, you'll see here's my 9-week grade and attendance prompt template. I select that, and then it will fill in all those prompts for me with those values I had before. And then all I got to do is just click on Run Report. So that really is a very handy tool if you have reports you run on a regular basis and that you find that you have lots of different settings for those reports. And that's all there is to prompt templates. One last thing, and that is, you can also go here to your, here's your prompt template and prompt template manager. If you have access rights to these areas, you can go in there and modify those templates. And that's really all there is to it. Great. Thank you very much.